Switch on your camera. You should join as soon as I start taking in around 5 minutes before. You should join so that you are ready for the prayer. All right, Hassan? Come on, all of you join your hands, close your eyes. Sakina, begin with the prayer and loudly.
Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread
And forgive us
and forgive us our sins
as we forgive those
with God who sin against us. Do not bring us
to the
the,
test,
to the death, our daily,
but deliver
but
us
us
from evil.
from evil. Amen.
Okay, thank you, Sakina. You learnt up the prayer, that's good. Children, all of you should learn up the prayer, very important. We need to pray. And make sure the day it's your turn, you join on time so that we don't have to wait. Because if we are waiting for the child to join, then we begin our prayer, then we get late. Now, tomorrow, Hassan, you're going to join early, 5 minutes early, before we begin with our prayer, right? And then you will say the prayer. Now, children, I hope and pray all of you are healthy and fine. Everybody is happy. Enjoyed your weekend, all of you. Okay, that's nice. Now, who has joined from Prachi Gupta's ID? Please give me your name, child. Nipun, Ronik, Rudraksh, all of you switch on your cameras. Ayat, switch on your camera. Quickly, Rudraksh, switch on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ayat.
Ma'am, my camera is on. Ma'am, on.
Just 1 second. Let me just
Mummy,
check.
on.
Okay. Now, all of you, fold your hands and sit straight. Today, we are going to start something new in English language. All right, children, we are going to do something new in English language. Yes. You are Vaishnavi Gupta. Okay, you've joined from another ID today. All right. So, children, today we are going to start a new topic. In English language, we have already done naming words. We have already done one and many. Two topics we have covered in English. And I told you, you have to remember each topic, everything that we are studying, because one after another, they are all related. First, you learned how to name the things. Naming words, you learned how to name the things. What are naming words? The names that you give to the person. Good morning, Ronik. Good morning, Ronik. Naming words are the names that we give to person, places, animals, and thing. Nipun, close your book, fold your hands. अभी कोई भी बुक नहीं खोलेगा, सब हैंड्स फोल्ड कर सीधे बैठ के सुनेंगे सिर्फ. First you will listen. Naming words we have done. Person, I told you. We are.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
किसी ने माइक्रोफोन ऑन किया है तो आपकी आवाज ढंग से नहीं आ रही है.
किसी का ऑन नहीं है बेटे. It is only yours that is on. I can see everybody's is off, Prashasti. You switch off yours. So naming words, I told you person, your own
आपकी
name.
आवाज मुझे सही नहीं आ रही.
There must be some problem with the network at your end, Prashasti. Exit करके फिर से join करिए.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
person, your name, your parents' name, right? Brother, sister's name. Then place, your school, your house, hospitals, park. Remember I told you all this? कैसे आपको कोरिलेट करके याद रखना है चीजों का? पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, योर पेट्स एंड थिंग्स, योर टॉयज, योर बुक्स. वी गिव एवरीथिंग अ नेम. हर चीज को हम नाम से पुकारते हैं. सो दे आर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. And then we did singular, plural, one and many. We did, yes or no? Give me a thumbs up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Riya.
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर पढ़ा रही है?
रिया, कोई भी पेज नहीं खोलना है, बुक्स अभी नहीं खोलनी है, सिर्फ सुनना है आपको. विनायक, क्लोज योर बुक एंड लिसन. नेमिंग वर्ड्स जब हमने सीख लिए, हमको आ गया किस तरह से हमें वर्ड्स, चीजों को नेम्स देते हैं. दोज आर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. पर्सन्स, प्लेस, एनिमल्स, थिंग्स. एंड देन ये सारी चीजें कभी कभी वन होती है, कभी मेनी होती है. मेनी जब होती है तो उसमें हम एस लगाते हैं. वी लर्न दैट वन एंड मेनी. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू टुडे, and that is a and an. You must have heard a toy, a book, an elephant, an eye. Now we are going to learn where we are going to put a, where we are going to put an. किन वर्ड्स के सामने हम अ लगाएंगे और किन वर्ड्स के सामने हम एन लगाएंगे. अभी आप सिर्फ सुनेंगे और स्क्रीन पे मैम जो भी चीजें दिखा रही हैं वो देखेंगे. जब हम देखते हैं ना, कोई चीज हम देखते हैं तो हमें ज्यादा याद रहता है. जब आप कोई मूवीज देखते हैं और उसके बाद 10 डेज के बाद भी अगर उस मूवी की स्टोरी मैम आपसे पूछेंगे तो आप जल्दी जल्दी बता देते हैं ना. यस. So we remember more when we see anything. So I'm going to show you something on the screen and you're going to watch it carefully. Sit straight, all of you. No opening your books just now. It's just opening, children. There's some problem with the network. Can you see the screen now? Give me a thumbs up. All right, Ria, what can you see on the screen? Alphabets. Very good. Can you?
Alphabet.
Okay. Ronik, can you read those alphabets quickly?
A for apple, B for balloon, C for cake, D for ball, E for division, uh,
F for fan, G for giraffe, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, nipple se straight, K for kettle, L for leaf, M for monkey, N for nib, O for octopus, P for penguin, Q for quill, quill बोलते हैं हम लोग feather को, R for rooster, S for socks, T for tree, U for uniform, V for vase, W for well, X for xylophone, Y for yak, and Z for zip. Now all of you know your alphabets. Yes, give me a thumbs up quickly. Okay. Inaya, tell me how many alphabets are there in English? Inaya, can you tell me how many alphabets are there in English?
Ma'am, ma'am, 20, 21, ma'am.
Okay, Inaya says 21. Rudraksh, what do you say?
26.
Rudraksh says 26. Inaya says 21, children. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Sorry, ma'am, मैंने wrong बनाया था.
Inaya,
26
no
होता है.
problem. No problem, Inaya. We
And
all learn from
26.
our mistakes. All right? So there are 26 alphabets in English. Now, children, these alphabets have been divided into two parts, consonants and vowels. Vowels, I'm sure you all remember. Now, I'm going to show you the next picture. See the picture carefully.
Ma'am, A-E-I-O-U.
Vowels and consonants, I'm going to show you the consonants first. See the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S,
Ma'am,
T,
मुझे नहीं
V,
दिख रहा है.
W, X, Y, and Z. These alphabets, children, these alphabets which you can see on your screen, they are called consonants. Now you can see certain alphabets are missing in this. Before B comes A. A इसमें नहीं है. Then after D comes E. E इसमें missing है. Then after H comes I, which is missing again. Then after P comes Q, and before that comes, after N comes Arav. After N comes, say your ABC.
O.
O, right. After N comes O. So यहाँ पर O भी missing है. All right.
क्या दिक्कत हो गया?
Pranjali, your mic is on, child. So, next now we have another alphabet missing over there. After T, U. Now ये 5 alphabets जो इसमें missing है वो हम आपको next sheet में दिखाने जा रहे हैं. and they are called, those alphabets are called vowels. You'll see the next sheet here just now. Yes, now can you see the sheet? Pranjali, can you see the sheet? Please read. A. Pranjali, read the alphabets.
A
Yes.
O U.
Okay. A, E, I, O, U. That's right. Once again, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are called vowels. What are these 5 alphabets called, Shub? Shub, what are these 5 alphabets called?
Ma'am, A I O U.
What are they called together? Vowels.
Yes, ma'am.
शुभ, इन अल्फाबेट्स को हम बोलते हैं वोवल्स. क्या बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, vowel.
Yes. Now children, listen carefully. Vowels are 5 in number and consonants are 25 in number, 21 in number. Consonants ज़्यादा है 21, vowels less हैं 5. Now अगर हम आपसे पूछेंगे, अगर हमने आपसे बोला चिल्ड्रन नेम ऑल द कॉन्सोनेंट्स, इफ आई टेल यू नेम ऑल द कॉन्सोनेंट्स, इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. 1-1 करके आप फिंगर्स पे पहले धीरे धीरे काउंट करेंगे, उसके बाद हमें बताएंगे. येस और नो? और अगर मैंने बोला आपसे, इफ आई आस्क यू नेम द वॉवल्स, वॉवल्स आप जल्दी जल्दी बता देंगे. येस और नो? येस और नो? Astha, give me the vowels. Name the vowels quickly.
B C F
A, E, I, O, U. Astha, look at me. Show me 5 fingers. All of you show me 5 fingers quickly.
A E I O O.
A.
U.
All of you. A, E. जोर से बोलिए, मुझे आपका लिप मूवमेंट देखना है. A, E, I, O, U. Again. A, E, I, O, U. Hassan, name the vowels quickly. Hassan, name the vowels. Switch on your mic, Hassan.
A E R O U.
A, E, I, O, U. Again.
E I O U.
Very good. Okay, Ali, name the vowels quickly.
A E I O U.
Okay, now children, I told you we are going to learn how to put a and an. हमें किस word के सामने a लगाना है, किस word के सामने an लगाना है. It is very simple. Consonants.
Ma'am.
Yes, Inaya.
मैम हम लोग कंसोनेंट्स के साथ आ लगाते हैं और हम लोग वॉवेल्स के साथ हम लोग एंड लगाते
Okay,
हैं.
good, Inaya. It's nice that you know. Now let me tell all the children. Consonants ज़्यादा है, उसको याद करने में आपको टाइम लगेगा. So what we are going to do, we'll remember the vowels and it will become very easy for us to know where to put a, where to put an. जब भी आप किसी वर्ड को देखेंगे तो आपको पहले देखना है वो वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट से शुरू हो रहा है या वॉवल से. अब मैंने बोला कॉन्सोनेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, आपको 21 कॉन्सोनेंट्स याद करने में टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन वॉवल्स जल्दी जल्दी याद हो गए. तो हम उस वर्ड को देखेंगे क्या वो वॉवल से शुरू हो रहा है. अगर मैंने एक वर्ड आपको दे दिया एलिफेंट, एलिफेंट स्टार्टिंग विथ विच अल्फाबेट हार्दिक? एलिफेंट किस अल्फाबेट से शुरू हो रहा है?
ई
E से. वेरी गुड. So we say the vowels A, E, I, O, U, मतलब E vowel है. तो जो word vowel से शुरू हो रहा है, जो वर्ड वॉवल से शुरू हो रहा है, एलिफेंट ई से शुरू हो रहा है, उसके सामने हम लिखेंगे ए एन एन. A-N-N. Got it? Now if I say I, E-Y-E-I. Nipun, if I say I, E-Y-E-I. तो उसके सामने हम क्या लगाएंगे? An? Yes? An I. An ice cream. An aeroplane. Aeroplane starts with A. Aeroplane starts with A. An elephant. An apple. A-E-I, an ice cream, right? O, an owl, O, an orange. Then U, umbrella, an umbrella, right? अब ये 5 हमने वॉवल सीख लिए. जो भी वर्ड वॉवल से शुरू हो रहा है उसके आगे हम लगाएंगे ए एन एन. और जितने बाकी के वर्ड्स बचते हैं जो कॉन्सोनेंट से शुरू हो रहे हैं उनके सामने हम लगाते हैं अ. उनके सामने हम लगाएंगे अ स्मॉल ए. गॉट इट? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू अंडरस्टूड. Okay, very good. Now you open your books. Now you can open your books. Page number 14. Put today's date on page number 14. Page number 14. Underline the words that begin with a vowel. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. Now underline the words that begin with vowel. The first picture, what is that? The first picture, Rishita?
Elephant.
Okay, that's an elephant. And is that starting with a vowel? Is it beginning with a vowel, Rishita?
E.
E is a vowel, so we underline that. Underline elephant. Underline elephant. Rudraksh. The next. Look at the next picture. Rudraksh, look at the next picture. Quickly, Rudraksh, look at the next picture. Rudraksh, you are not in the meeting. Camera off करके आप कहाँ चले गए? Prashasti, are you there?
Ma'am.
All right, Prashasti. Rudraksh, switch on your camera. Let me see you, child. Apple starts with a vowel, children. Apple starts with a vowel A. So underline apple quickly. Underline apple. Next word. Next picture. Ali. The next picture, what is that?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Is that beginning with a vowel? U vowel hai, Ali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we underline umbrella. Underline that word, children. Next picture, Vinayak. Look at the next picture, number 4. Vinayak, picture number 4.
Book.
Book. B.
Book.
B vowel hai. Is B a vowel?
No.
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 So we do not underline that word. Next picture, Aradhya. Aradhya, look at the next picture, child. Ape. That is an ape. Ape is a monkey.
Ape.
Ape. It is starting with a vowel.
A.
Ape. A is a vowel.
Yes.
Yes. So we underline ape. Next picture. Omansh, the next picture.
Ice.
Ice. I is a vowel.
Yes, ma'am.
AEIOU आपको याद रखना है। मामी पीछे से नहीं बताएंगी आपको। आपको AEIO दिमाग में रखना है। अभी मैम ने पिक्चर्स दिखाई थी ना, मैम ने बोला वॉवल्स इजी है याद रखना, ओनली 5 वॉवल्स, सो यू रिमेंबर द वॉवल्स, राइट? सो वी अंडरलाइन आइस। नेक्स्ट, प्रांजलि आपने कौन सी बुक लेकर रखी है बेटे? इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज बुक, ग्रामर बुक चाइल्ड। मॉर्निंग में जब मैम जब ग्रुप में कोई भी मैसेज डालती है उसको देखा करिए।
Okay.
All right, Shivansh, the next picture, number 7, quickly.
Orange.
Orange. O is a vowel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we underline that. Next picture, Hayat, the next picture, picture number 8. Hayat, picture number 8. Can you hear me? Switch on your mic quickly. Picture number 8, ox. Picture number 8, that's an ox. O is a vowel.
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. So we underline. Next, number 9, Vaishnavi. Number 9. What is that?
Ma'am, ship.
Ship.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ship.
S. S is a vowel.
No.
No, it's not. So we do not underline that. Okay, good. Next, Wali, the next picture, number 10. Picture number 10, quickly, Wali.
Ma'am, train.
Train. Okay, train starts with T. T is a vowel, Wali.
No, ma'am.
No, so we do not underline that. Next picture, Aram. Number 11.
Ma'am, egg.
Egg. E
Ma'am,
is a
egg.
vowel. E is a vowel.
Ma'am, egg. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a vowel. So we underline that. Visual, the next picture. Number 12. Chair. Chair. C is a vowel. C is a vowel, visual.
No, ma'am.
मम्मी की तरफ नहीं देखना है आपने, मैंने बोला ना, अभी मैंने आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाया था 5 अल्फाबेट्स AEIOU जिनको हम वॉवल्स बोलते हैं, ये आज आपको लर्न करना है अच्छे से। ओके, सो C is not a vowel, so we do not underline that. Right?
मुझे
Yes, आस्था?
मैम मुझे कॉन्सोनेंट्स याद हो गए।
वॉवल्स याद हो गए, कॉन्सोनेंट्स 21 है, आपको वॉवल्स जल्दी याद हो जाएंगे। AEIOU। ऑल ऑफ यू माइक ऑन करे बिना अपनी प्लेस पर बैठ के जोर से बोलिए AEIOU फिंगर्स पे, शो मी द 5 फिंगर्स, और सबका कैमरा ऑन होना चाहिए। द थिंग इज यू चिल्ड्रन आर स्विचिंग ऑफ योर कैमराज, यू आर गोइंग इनटू योर कंफर्ट जोन। अगर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होता है तो यहाँ पर लिख कर आ जाता है स्क्रीन पर।
मैम आई हैव डन इट वर्क।
AEIOU, say it loudly. Okay, now sit straight, quickly give me your attendance. Sit straight, let me take your attendance. Anya Nigam, Arav Maurya, Ayat Momina Haider, Adhiraj,
Present, ma'am.
Adhiraj, Adhiraj is not there. Ansh Francis, Aradhya Srivastav,
Present, ma'am.
Astha Tripathi,
Ma'am.
Astha Tripathi,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Ayat Fatima Rizvi,
Present, ma'am.
Christopher Massey, Christopher, you have to answer loudly, child. You're there in the meeting. I can see you. Hardik,
Present, ma'am.
Hayat,
Present, ma'am.
Inaya Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Hriday Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Rishita Sumani,
Present, ma'am.
Mahira Fazal, Manjeet Verma, Meher Fatima Naqvi, Mohammad Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Nipun Giri, Nipun, answer quickly.
Present, ma'am.
Oman Shagarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Prashasti Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Ronik Rastogi, Ria.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Ronik, you have to answer quickly. Rudraksh Sandil,
Present, ma'am.
Sakina Abbas,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh Mishra, Shubh Gautam,
Present, ma'am.
Syed Mohammad Ali Abbas, Syed Mohammad Ali Atmash, Vaishnavi Gupta, Vihan Tiwari, Vinayak Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Sanvi Sonkar. Sanvi is not there today. Arav Nigam,
मैम आपने मेरा नाम नहीं लिया.
Bijwal Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children. Thank you. Now you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. Thank you.
Excuse me.